Low energy, achy bones. This could be why. 7 early signs of vitamin D deficiency. Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs, and today I'm sharing 7 early warning signs your body may be deficient in vitamin D, one of the most overlooked yet essential nutrients for your health. These signs are backed by science, and ignoring them can lead to serious problems down the line. 1. Feeling tired no matter how much you sleep. A study in the Journal of Endocrinological Investigation found that low vitamin D levels are strongly associated with chronic fatigue and daytime sleepiness. 2. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Without it, bones weaken and ache. According to the Mayo Clinic proceedings, deficiency in vitamin D is often misdiagnosed as fibromyalgia or arthritis due to overlapping symptoms. 3. If you're getting sick often, your immune system may be low on vitamin D. Research in BMJ found that adequate vitamin D can reduce respiratory infections by up to 42%. 4. Vitamin D supports muscle contraction and strength. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that even mild deficiency leads to muscle weakness, especially in older adults. 5. Low vitamin D affects your mood. Studies in the Journal of Affective Disorders found a strong link between low vitamin D levels and increased risk of depression, especially during the winter months. 6. Vitamin D plays a role in skin regeneration. Research in dermatoendocrinology revealed that people with low vitamin D had delayed wound healing and higher risk of infections. 7. While stress is a common cause of hair loss, severe vitamin D deficiency has also been linked to hair thinning and alopecia. A study in skin pharmacology and physiology found that correcting vitamin D levels improved hair regrowth in deficient individuals. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it's time to get your vitamin D levels checked. You can boost levels with sunlight, supplements, and foods like wild salmon, eggs, and raw dairy products. For a complete natural approach to healing your body, including how to address inflammation and nutrient deficiencies. Check out my book, Eat to Heal, where I guide you through the austere diet and how to use food as medicine. Click the link below to get your copy today.